you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be doing this Avant Garde Death inspired makeup look, and this was actually inspired by one of my recent favorite songs, and that is Panic at the Disco's song Dyin in LA. Now in this song, Brendon Urie has a line where he says, "You looked at death in a tarot card and you saw what you had to do," and in my mind I already knew I wanted to do a makeup look inspired by that verse in this song. So I saw death, I saw tarot card, and I already knew I kind of wanted to do something dark, but maybe along the lines of being avant-garde as opposed to scary, just because I knew I was going to be doing this getting really close to Halloween, and I'm gonna have so many scary things on Halloween. I kind of just wanted something to lead up to it, you know? And so then I was walking around Party City looking for Halloween stuff, and I saw this headpiece, and it all just came together, and I absolutely love how this turned out. I loved adding the red contact lenses and incorporating a little bit of red into the makeup. It just all came together because this kind of looks a little bit like blood, and I like that. Also, this is a very wearable look if you want to use this as part of a Halloween costume. It could be a witch, it could be a death tarot card makeup look. I don't know, it's whatever you guys want to do. You can be really creative with this and kind of incorporate it into a bunch of different items that you might want to be for Halloween and you need some fun makeup, and this can work for that. So anyways, if you guys are interested in seeing how you can achieve this look, then just keep watching. Hey guys, so to start off, I'm going to be taking my Buckle Bunny Beauty Fringe Benefit Primer and just applying that all over my face before moving on to foundation. I'm going to be taking my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea foundation in light neutral and just applying that all over my face with a large Morphe buffing brush. Then I'm going to be taking my Buckle Bunny Beauty Cream to Powder foundations in Caramel and Mocha and just applying that to the areas that I would like to contour before blending it out with a clean, fluffy brush. Now we need to re-brighten up our face a little bit, so for this I'm going to be taking my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in number 14 and applying this under my eyes, under my cheekbones, my forehead, temples, upper lip, all that jazz. Then I'm going to be taking my IT Cosmetics Airbrush Buffing Brush to just blend all of this out. Next, I'm going to be setting this with my Airspun Translucent Powder and a brush just to make sure that it will last all day. Next, we're going to be moving on to eyeshadow. So to prep our eyes, I'm going to be taking my Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Primer and just applying that to my eyelids. Then I'm going to be taking this highlight color from my Morphe and Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette and just applying that to my brow bone just to help brighten it up a bit before we move on to our transition shade. I'm just going to be taking this color and applying it right into the crease just so that all of our colors will blend a little nicer. And then I'm also going to darken it up with this eyeshadow and just apply that to the inner corner of the eye, almost right under the brow bone. I'm then going to be taking this dark brown color and applying it in the same area as well. We want to focus all of our eyeshadows in this area because this is going to give our eye makeup a little bit more of an aggressive look. Then I'm going to be taking this maroonish brown and I'm going to be applying it right on top as well just to help darken it up a bit. I'm then going to be going back into our highlight color and also taking this taupe metallic color and applying that onto the eyelid as well. I absolutely love that the color this gave. It kind of gave that ashy, creepy look, but still had the metallic look that we were looking for. Being that this look incorporates a lot of blues and reds as inspiration, I wanted to include this plum eyeshadow, so I just concentrated that towards the inner corner and almost going up onto the bridge of the nose as well. I wanted to darken this up a little bit, so for that I'm going to be taking this black eyeshadow and just applying it in the same areas that we've literally been applying everything else, and once again making sure to blend this out. We're going to quickly brush off the excess translucent powder before we move on to eyeliner. So I'm just going to be taking my L'Oreal Silkist Me eyeliner in charcoal and just applying that to the lash line. We're not doing a wing or anything, just a simple line, and you're just wanting to blend that out using an eyeshadow brush, and also you can use this little smudger brush that I got from e.l.f. Next, I'm going to be taking this nude color again and just applying that to the lower lash line before I move on to this darker nude color, and I'm just going to be applying that from the outer corner towards the inner corner before we move on to some darker colors. And so I'm going to be taking black. I'm just going to go in for it and just apply that from the outer corner towards the center of the lower lash line before making sure to blend this out. I'm then going to be going back into my L'Oreal Silkist Me eyeliner in charcoal and just applying that to my lower waterline. Next, I'm moving on to face makeup again, so I'm going to be taking my Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette, taking medium and dark cocoa, and just deepening the contour from earlier, so I'm just going to be applying this to all of the places that we added our cream to powder foundation. Next, I'm going to be warming this up with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer before adding a little bit more life to our contour with my Physicians Formula Butter Blush in Plum Rose. I'm then taking my Smashbox palette, taking Rich Berry and True Flush, and applying that to the apples of my cheeks. I'm going to spray my face with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist before moving on to highlight. I'm taking my BH Cosmetics Spotlight Highlight Palette, taking Glow and Dream, and just applying that to my cheekbones, my nose, my upper lip, and you want to bring it down to your chest as well, being that this is actually part of the look and we're going to be painting on our chest, so we want it to be glowy and fresh. Moving on to lips, I'm going to be taking my MAC Lip Liner in Plum and just outlining my lips. Then I'm going to be taking my Kat Von D liquid lipstick in Exorcism and just filling in my lips. I'm going to be taking my Mare on Paradise paint in black and taking my finger, I'm going to be lightly applying this around my eye, making sure to smudge it out with a clean finger, and I ended up going in with a brush to the areas that I couldn't quite reach. And a really good tip is to take a fan brush as well, because it has the bristles spread out. You can get a really cool sparse effect with this, so I definitely recommend using that in this look as well. So as you can see, I'm just sporadically applying this around the circumference of my eyes, and I'm making sure to not touch the eyeshadow because I definitely want that eyeshadow to still pop through this, and I don't want to just cover all of our hard work up with body paint. And I'm kind of taking inspiration from Jester makeup to try and give it that diamond effect to really make it look abstract. I'm then going to be taking my Mare on Paradise paint in red, and I'm also going to be lightly applying this in dotting motions around the black body paint. I kind of loved the way this looked because I wanted to coordinate the color with the red contact lenses, and I also kind of really love how it looks like fake blood. Feel free to use fake blood if you would like. I didn't feel the need to do that, but I feel like that could definitely take this makeup look one extra step or make it more fun for Halloween. I'm then going to be going back into my Mare on Paradise paint in black and taking my fan brush, I'm going to be applying this onto my shoulders and lightly blending it towards the center part of my chest. It kind of ended up looking a little bit like tiger stripes, so I wanted to break that up with my red body paint as well and just apply that over top of this to help break up the color and also coordinate it with the red around the eyes and the contact lenses. We're going to go ahead and prep our eyelashes by curling them before going in with our Tarte Lights Caramel Lashes mascara and just sweeping that through our eyelashes. And for my falsies, I chose to take my Kiss Lash Couture lashes in Lavish and just apply that to my lash line. And that is the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment down below if you'd like to see next. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos. Speaking of seeing more of my videos, don't forget to turn on the notification bell because starting Monday, I'm going to be posting a new Halloween themed makeup tutorial for every weekday for the month of October, so you definitely don't want to miss that. So anyways, with all of that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!